to the 1913 double-decker. We call it the Wellingborough simply because it used to operate up near Wellingborough on a regular bus service. It's a standard design for double-deckers at this time. Basically, you take the lower deck here, which on its own was identical to horse-drawn omnibus that ran in the 1880s, 1890s. So you have two horses on the front. And this configuration of seating was very common for omnibuses at that time, where you faced each other. This body is still, some of this is still original, because the body was actually found in a sewage works in Wellingborough, where it actually stood for 50 years. And enough of it was in good enough condition to be rebuilt. So it's got some authenticity to it as well. So essentially, then the bus operators, in order to double the number of passengers and therefore the revenue, decided to put seats on the roof. And in order to do that, you had to build this spiral staircase to get up there. So if you follow me up, I'll show you what the upstairs. You can see how precarious this is, because they built a platform on the end, and then this carefully constructed spiral staircase up. And the roof now becomes the upper deck. But you can see that the seats are literally sitting on the roof of a single-decker bus. And then you put a railing around the outside, and you can double the number of passengers. Okay, ready to go?